The Tundra makes towing anything the simplest thing on the planet. What's super amazing about the Crew Max 5.5-foot bed is the fact that there's so much room.
The boat ramp in the morning is one of the most stressful places on the planet. So having a system of cameras, sensors built into the vehicle makes my life stress-free. Should we jump on our jet skis? It's not called catching, it's called fishing. So you're always out there trying to have some fun with the people that you're involved in, see some beautiful sights, and spend some quality time in the sun and water.
Fish on, boys!
If you're looking to get put on fish, you need to definitely take a local's advice to figure out where they're at, and we luckily got one of the best ones here in town.
That's what it's all about right here, nice little jack. This is what you live life for, and the fact is just having a truck to make life so easy and carry all your gear to make sure you're safe. To have the session like we just had, it was incredible.